Imagine this: you hire an interior designer to renovate your kitchen, you agree on cabinets, tiles, and lighting, delivery in 4 weeks, fixed budget, sounds fair, right? But within 2 weeks, you come with a casual talk saying that, can we add a breakfast counter, or soft close drawer would be nice, or can we integrate smart lighting system? Deadline stays same, budget stays same, more work, same deadline, same budget. Oh no, ladies and gentlemen, here it is: scope creep. That's scope creep. Each request makes sense in isolation. Together, they create pressure, delays, and frustration. Project behaves that same way. Scope creep is when additional work gets added to a project without adjusting time, cost, and resources. And here is the tricky part: each request makes sense individually. A breakfast counter, reasonable; a soft close drawer, nice upgrade; smart lighting, future ready. But together they create pressure, delays, burnout, and frustration. Communication tips to avoid scope creep. So we must define scope clarity and change the control process, prioritize and push back, and communicate as early as often it is possible. So, how to control scope creep? The first thing is define scope clearly upfront. What is in the scope? What is out of scope? Write it down, share it, and send emails. Use a change control process. Have a change control board. Get the scope change approved by them. That is the common process we follow in IT industry. Communicate as early as often. Silence is a scope creep's best friend. Frequent updates prevent surprises, and surprises kill the trust. Learn to prioritize and push back. Everything cannot be priority number one, and strong leaders don't say no emotionally, they say yes. Here is the trade off. Benefits of managing scope creep. When scope creep is managed well, project launches on time, budget stays under control, stakeholders are happy, team stays sane and motivated. This is what professional project management looks like. Not blocking change, but building it responsibly. So, how to keep scope creep under control? So, we always say that prevention is better than cure. But have you ever thought of the process? Why it is so dangerous? Scope creep is dangerous because it doesn't feel dangerous. It really shows up as a big decision. It sneaks in. So, just one small change, it won't take long time. Like that we say, and it ends up being a disaster. So, if you are a product manager or project manager or technical lead, requirement changing after development starts, and there are some signs, okay, when the scope creep happens. So, requirement changing after the development start, new feature added without impact analysis. Since you are already doing this conversation, teams working late, but progress still feels slow. So, okay, so what does it mean and how can we keep under control? So, we have to ensure that stakeholders are early and clearly communicated. We have to make sure that the project budget and timeline are fixed, and we also have to make sure that we have our team is motivated. Okay, so the scope grows, but the capacity doesn't. Then what happens? The team burns out, the quality drops, and motivation disappears. So, in that case, we have to make sure that scope creep is under control. All right, thank you very much. If you like this video, please do uh, share this with your friends. And it was a very short and simple idea about managing the scope creep, which is a day-to-day problem in IT industry, especially for project managers, scrum masters, product managers. So do like my video, comment, share and subscribe with your friends. I will definitely come up with more ideas on making videos on risk management, communication management and other stuffs. Thank you. Bye for now.